Synaptics+Shft+L, how can I reclaim it? When I updated to Windows 10 it installed the latest Synaptics touchpad driver on my Lenovo W520. I tried to remove the driver but Windows brought it back with the next round of updates. This particular driver registers a global keyboard hook on an Alt+Shft+L to generate and show its log file. However, as longtime user of ReSharper, I was already using that keyboard shortcut regularly while running Visual Studio. I don't want to see the Synaptics log file, ever. I don't even use the touchpad. I tried disabling it in the device manager. Does anyone know how to kill the Synaptics global keyboard hook?
From here, then reboot the computer.
I tried with uninstallation of Synaptics driver uninstall completely. Then restarted my device. Installed driver taken from official website of my laptop. Wow. Issue gone.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.